Packing for a long trip can feel like solving a puzzle. You have a limited amount of space and endless things you want to bring. Don't worry, it doesn't need to be stressful. With a little planning and the right strategies, you can pack everything you need without overpacking. Remember, less is more. Pack light, travel far. Travel should be about enjoyment, not about lugging heavy bags. You'll appreciate the freedom of packing light. The key to stress-free packing is bringing only what you'll actually use. Start by planning your outfits. Choose versatile pieces that can be mixed and matched. Leave behind those just-in-case items. Chances are you won't need them. Stick to neutral colors for your clothing. This makes it easier to create different outfits. A black or gray shirt can be paired with various pants or skirts. This minimizes the number of items you need to pack. Think about the activities you'll be doing. Are you going hiking, swimming, or attending fancy events? Pack appropriate clothing, but remember, you can always do laundry on your trip. No need to pack for every single scenario. A packing checklist is your best friend when preparing for a long trip. It helps you stay organized and ensures you don't forget any essentials. Create a list tailored to your specific itinerary and destination. Begin by listing essential toiletries. Include items like toothpaste, shampoo, sunscreen, and insect repellent. Consider travel-sized versions to save space. Don't forget any necessary medications. Add important documents to your list. This includes your passport, visas, tickets, and travel insurance information. Make copies of these documents and keep them separate from the originals. Choosing the right luggage is crucial for a smooth travel experience. For long trips, a rolling suitcase is often the best choice. It allows for easy maneuverability, especially in airports and train stations. Consider the size and weight of the suitcase. Choose a size that comfortably fits your belongings without being too bulky. Remember, you'll be carrying it around. Think about the durability and features of the suitcase. Look for sturdy construction and smooth rolling wheels. A TSA-approved lock is essential for added security. Some suitcases even have expandable compartments for extra flexibility. Section 5. Essential items. Your travel arsenal. Certain items are must-haves for any long trip. These essentials will keep you comfortable, organized, and prepared for various situations. First and foremost, pack a good pair of walking shoes. You'll be doing a lot of exploring. A universal adapter is essential for international travel. This allows you to charge your electronics in different countries. Don't forget a reusable water bottle. Staying hydrated is important, especially in unfamiliar environments. Pack a small first aid kit with essentials like bandages, pain relievers, and antiseptic wipes. It's always better to be prepared for minor mishaps. A small flashlight can also come in handy. Section 6. Smart packing techniques and hacks. Efficient packing is all about maximizing space and minimizing wrinkles. One effective technique is rolling your clothes instead of folding them. This saves space and helps prevent creases. Use packing cubes to compartmentalize your belongings. These handy organizers keep your suitcase neat and tidy. They also make it easier to find what you need without unpacking everything. Place heavier items like shoes at the bottom of your suitcase. This helps with weight distribution and prevents fragile items from being crushed. Fill any empty spaces with socks or underwear to maximize packing efficiency. Section 7. Staying organized, a place for everything. Maintaining organization within your suitcase is key to a stress-free trip. Keep your toiletries separate in a dedicated toiletry bag. This prevents leaks and spills from ruining your clothes. Use small pouches or Ziploc bags for accessories like jewelry, chargers, and adapters. This keeps them organized and prevents them from getting tangled or lost. Consider using a packing list app on your phone. This allows you to keep track of your belongings digitally and ensures you don't leave anything behind. Section 8. Packing for different climates. Adapting your gear. The climate of your destination will greatly influence your packing choices. If you're traveling to a cold climate, pack warm layers like sweaters, jackets, hats, and gloves. Choose thermal underwear for extra warmth. For warm climates, pack lightweight and breathable clothing like t-shirts, shorts, and sundresses. Don't forget a swimsuit if you plan on swimming. A wide-brimmed hat and sunglasses are essential for sun protection. If you're unsure about the weather, pack versatile items that can be layered. A light jacket can be worn over a t-shirt or sweater, providing flexibility for changing temperatures. Section 9. The joy of traveling light. Freedom and flexibility. Traveling light brings a sense of freedom and flexibility. You're not weighed down by unnecessary baggage. You can move around easily and adapt to unexpected situations. Imagine yourself hopping on a train without struggling with heavy luggage. Picture yourself exploring a new city without the burden of a bulky suitcase. Traveling light allows you to fully embrace the adventure. Packing light also saves you money. You'll avoid checked baggage fees and expensive taxi rides. You'll be able to take advantage of budget-friendly transportation options like public buses and trains. Section 10. Conclusion: pack smart, travel far. Mastering the art of packing for long trips is a valuable skill for any traveler. By following these tips, you can pack efficiently, stay organized, and enjoy the freedom of traveling light. Remember, less is more. A well-packed suitcase is your passport to a stress-free and enjoyable journey. So pack smart, embrace the adventure, and create unforgettable travel memories. The world awaits.